back. Hi, it's Josh again with my assistant. So I'm going to be showing her one rehabilitative exercise, and it's going to be for her ACL. And this is going to help her strengthen and stabilize it. And it's called a Romanian deadlift. It's our single leg Romanian deadlift, my bad. With a weight. Okay. So cool. Here, here's your chair if you need it. Yeah, probably just for balance, just to start out. Okay, so obviously you want to stand on your right leg. Okay. And the dumbbell around. And then next I want you to slowly put your leg up. Okay. And while the toe, or while the weight and the torso move towards the foot, keep the back in neutral spine. Okay. Position throughout the whole exercise. There you go. That actually looks good. Okay. Forward. Okay. Yeah, and then what you're doing is good. You're slowly moving back to that standing up position. Okay. Which I want you to do. So some common mistakes that you might see in people, okay, are when they don't keep their balance. Obviously, you're using a chair that helps you, but you don't always have it. Right. So yeah. And also you need to make sure you don't move laterally. Sometimes people do it felt like, oh, I see. Right. Okay. Their ankle might be a little wobbly. So also that, and then do not collapse obviously towards your midline. Sometimes when people do it, they're like, you want to be strong throughout the whole exercise. Okay. Alright. That was good. Good job. So, some of the things I want you to work on today, probably do at least 3 sets of them. And do 7 repetitions. 3 sets, 7 reps? And then I want you to do them about 5 times per week. Okay. Thank you. Sounds good. Thank you.